And here we are. As you can see, everything is wet. During our morning walk, it actually started to rain. Someone wants treats. Someone wants treats. So it started to rain, but it was very light rain, so we didn't get wet. Basically, Kai, she dropped something, and she found it. And she found that basically like a little bit more like I don't know, very very light shower. Currently there are a couple of drops here and there, so no umbrella, as you can see. So we will just go, and hopefully it will not restart raining. But yeah, and then in the morning it rained so much that I said, okay, let's go. I will take the bus instead of going Peva, no? Peva! Instead of walking, as per usual this past 2 weeks. It was raining. When I came to work, so in the neighboring district, it was raining very very much, so much that I actually called mom to make sure if everything is okay at home, and it was. Peva, no, Lizzy! Kaj zdaj? Ne bo čvirbac. No, pejt. Ja, pridna, gremo, hodimo, lulamo pa kakamo. Dost, konc, nič priboljškov, she just wants treats. She didn't even went number 1. But yeah, actually she was, I came, not number 1. When I came home at 5, she wanted to stay outside, so she was outside for 2 hours. So yeah. Okay, Tička. Zdaj pa dost. Zdaj pa hodimo. Zdaj pa dost. I had it enough. Just treats. And yeah, it was raining quite a lot. Then around 8:30 I left for a conference. It wasn't raining as much. At 1, when I went back to my office, it was sunny day, nice day. I said okay. At 3 it started to get very dark. Dost, konec. Ne. She will be then upset that I'm not giving her any more treats. At 3 p.m. it got really dark, and then like for an hour, very very strong rain once again. There was also a lightning strike near our complex. Luckily no fire or anything like that, but our largest freight train station in Ljubljana, the wind was so powerful in that district that it actually torn down the power lines, of the railway, and which transpired into shutdown of service. Trains weren't moving due to having no electricity. And yeah, hopefully they have already resumed the traffic. Joj, kako si tečen pas. I cannot believe how demanding this one is. Ok, zdaj pa konc. Tukaj greva. Actually, today she was in very good mood. This is why she's getting the treats. Pridna. Yeah, unfortunately they didn't report of any additional flooding or anything like that. There were a couple of road sections, street sections that were flooded in Ljubljana as per usual, because as I said many times, the drains aren't cleaned by the municipality. Ne, hodimo, konc pri boljški. Yeah. Yesterday actually we met Liza's friend, lady, the GSD Husky mix, and she had to have dental surgery. They had to remove 2 back molars. Apparently she shattered them completely. She was apparently the procedure took quite a long time because they had trouble of extracting all of the pieces, and then they have also performed, cleaning of the other teeth, plaque and so forth, and it cost the owner more than 600 euros. So yeah, pretty expensive. And in other news today, I realized today it was the day that on this channel we surpassed, so today is what, the 14th? Yeah, today is the 14th of September. We surpassed 4,000 watchable hours, or hours of view time on the Shorts channel, and I said, okay, that means I can apply for monetization also on the second channel. And then I don't know if I have I didn't look it. I don't know if I misremembered, I didn't look carefully, or they have changed the rules in the meantime, because now for the Shorts channel you don't need 4,000 hours. You need I think you need 4,000 hours of regular I don't know how you need 4,000 hours of view time for the regular videos. And she now has more bribe. Konc, vidiš, konc, vse si pojedla. No more. Konec, vse si pojedla, greva. Ajde. So as I was saying, you need 4,000 hours of view time in 1 year, but that refers only to regular videos. In the case of short videos, you need 10 million views in 90 days, which we will never achieve. So basically the second channel remains unmonetized, and once again she doesn't want to move. Okay, pretty lazy. Dai Ivano. Okay, we will end on this point.